Okay, the Dometic fridge. So as you open it, you'll see it has the dials at the top there, and select this icon for 240 hookup electric, and over here is your dial for your temperature. Okay, select the battery icon for running it on your battery when the engine is running. Okay, select the last icon, the one with the flame, for working on gas. Make sure that your gas bottle is connected and switched on. Test the gas on your hob on your cooker. So over here you've got this dial and you've got the igniter. As you press this one, you'll hear a clicking on the outside of the fridge. That is your igniter. What you need to do is press this button in and hold this button down until this dial here goes into the green. Once that dial goes into the green, release these two buttons and that will then stay in the green, and you are now lit on gas. Okay, thank you.